Self-love is the foundation of all the love. Nothing can beat you, nothing can stop you when you love yourself. To change your thought process, try to repeat these self-affirmations with feelings after me. Now, let's take 3 deep breaths together before we begin. So inhale. Let us all fill with love. Wait and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's begin with our affirmation. Please repeat after me if possible. I truly love myself. I truly love myself. I treasure everything about myself. I treasure everything about myself. I love my own company. I love my own company. I embrace my flaws and imperfections. I embrace my flaws and imperfections. I accept and acknowledge my emotions. I accept and acknowledge my emotions. I let go of things I cannot control. I let go of things I cannot control. I forgive people who have hurt me. I forgive people who have hurt me. I free myself from all the regrets. I free myself from all the regrets. I release myself from unnecessary judgments. I release myself from unnecessary judgments. I free myself from all the guilt and anger. I free myself from all the guilt and anger. It's okay if I make mistakes. It's okay if I make mistakes. I accept myself exactly as I am. I accept myself exactly as I am. I acknowledge my gifts and talents. I acknowledge my gifts and talents. I embrace my uniqueness. I embrace my uniqueness. I love my imperfections. I love my imperfections. I love the way I look. I love the way I look. I am ready to step into my true power. I am ready to step into my new power. Everything I need is within me. Everything I need is within me. I know I deserve all the beautiful things I desire. I know I deserve all the beautiful things I desire. I prioritize my well-being. I prioritize my well-being. I am in alignment with my highest good. I am in alignment with my highest good. I stand up for myself when needed. I stand up for myself when needed. I acknowledge and fulfill all my needs. I acknowledge and fulfill all my needs. I am enough. I am enough. Everything I need is within me. Everything I need is within me. I am deeply committed to myself. I am deeply committed to myself. I am complete. I am complete. I am wise and strong enough to make the right decisions for myself. I am wise and strong enough to make the right decisions for myself. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. I am creating my dream life every day. I am creating my dream life every day. I am doing what I love to do. I am doing what I love to do. I trust in the timing of my life. I trust in the timing of my life. I am blessed to get this life. I am blessed to get this life. I choose to love every part of me. I choose to love every part of me. I am grateful to my body for all it does to support me. I am grateful to my body for all it does to support me. I do what is good for my body, mind, and soul. I do what is good for my body, mind, and soul. I nourish my mind with positive thoughts. I nourish my mind with positive thoughts. I surround myself with people who love me. I surround myself with people who love me. I respect myself. I respect myself. I am beautiful and incomparable to others. I am beautiful and incomparable to others. I believe I can achieve anything I want. I believe I can achieve anything I want. I am worthy of everything I desire. I am worthy of everything I desire. I am the creator of my own destiny. I am the creator of my own destiny. I am thankful to myself for all the times I have supported myself. I am thankful to myself for all the times I have supported myself. I am proud of all my achievements. I am proud of all my achievements. I am living my life to its full potential. I am living my life to its full potential. My life is a gift to me. My life is a gift to me. Alright, we are done with affirmations. If you have closed your eyes, you can open them now. The power of self-love is unmatched. Love yourself and the rest will follow. Believe and achieve, believe and manifest. For better results of these affirmations, listen and repeat them for at least 21 days. Thank you.